Beasts on wheels, massive payloads, mountain trials. Prepare for an epic shoot that defies gravity, where logging trucks roar up impossible slopes with sheer horsepower and unyielding endurance. This is not just transport. It's a battle of steel, will, and raw torque. "50 years. One machine, still unstoppable. This legendary 56-inch circular saw takes on a 14-foot cottonwood log, 33 inches thick, and tears through it like butter. A roaring symbol of industrial grit and timeless craftsmanship. Saying, never cut the branch you're sitting on, but what if you're sitting on the whole tree? One wrong move, and you're airborne. Thankfully, this guy held on. The snow is heavy, the conditions are brutal. But this man keeps cutting. Steady hands, years of experience, and a heart built for the woods. It doesn't hesitate, not with weight on its back, not in deep mud. This isn't just a machine, it's a companion of the forest, forged for the toughest paths. Anyone in forestry knows, speed isn't everything. The power of the AI RT-800 Raptor lies in its sustainable approach, returning stumps back to the earth. That's how you grow a stronger forest for the generations to come. In the blink of an eye, it's done. This beast doesn't pull trees. It rips them from the earth with surgical force. When power meets precision, the forest doesn't stand a chance. Rotten, hollow, unstable. Trees like this are a ticking time bomb. This man isn't just cutting wood, he's protecting lives. Ton Volvo, a true all-in-one machine. It clears debris, trims branches, and takes down trees with ease. Efficiency, versatility, and raw power, all in one mighty package. Logs into firewood with just the flip of a switch. The Bell 8000 circular saw makes that dream real. This 125-inch electric beast rips through timber like it's nothing, giving you perfect firewood in seconds. The LKT-81 wasn't made for show. It was born to haul giants out of the forest. Raw power, built to conquer the wild. You can't help but respect it. This old machine has seen many years, no doubt, but it still runs like a charm, gently cutting through firewood with ease and grace. Ever wrestled a giant log with a handsaw? Not fun. But the CTR-75GX is here to save the day, like a lumberjack on steroids. It slices through 75-centimeter logs like butter, with laser-like precision and a gas engine that never quits, no matter how far your mill is. Like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe. Your support fuels the machine. Today's mission complete. Don't leave without subscribing. Your support fuels everything we build.